Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of August 2023 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of August for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Sun controls your 8th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Cancer. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationship in journal, your business partnership, your contracts, your signing a paper is seen from seventh house, your agreement is seen from second house, your legal bindings are seen from seventh house, your business and business relationship is seen from seventh house, your how you will meet others is seen from seventh house, how others perceive you when you will meet others is also seen from seventh house, and your fame along with 10th house is also seen from seventh house. So right now, 8th house Lord is moving in your 7th house. 8th house is with your sudden events, your longevity, your transformation in life, your chronic diseases, your in-laws related matters, your unearned money is also seen from 8th house. Your joint account is also seen from 8th house with your spouse. So right now, your 8th house Lord is moving in your 7th house. 8th house is not considered very good house in astrology because 8, 6 and 12th house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow, disturbance issues are always associated with these houses. So we can expect in the month of August, you may have some ego battle with your spouse or business partnership in the month of August, or you may have some ego issues in the month of August, especially till 17th of August, because Sun will stay in your 7th house till 17th of August. After 17th of August, Sun will move to your 8th house in the sign of Leo in its own sign. Right now, there are many planets are present in your 8th house, Mars, Venus, and Mercury house. And after 17th of August, Sun, your 8th house God will be moved to your 8th house on August. So we can expect after that you may have suddenly good result regarding your money related matters, your home related matter, your property related matter, because as we discussed previously, there are many planets right now moving in your 8th house, 4th house Lord, your 10th house Lord, your 5th house Lord, and your 6th house Lord is also moving in your 8th house. So we can expect you may have some good result and suddenly you will have some gain related to money. But one thing here is very important to keep in mind: before 17th of August, you need to be careful when you are driving, especially before 17th of August. So because your 8th house is occupied by many planets right now, and your 4th house Lord is also moving in your 8th house, and Rahu is also moving in your 8th house. Although Jupiter aspecting from its 5th aspect from your 4th house to your 8th house, but still you need to be drive carefully in the month of August, especially before 17th of August, until Sun moves to your 8th house in its own sign. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of August. Also, if you are married right now, so we can expect you may have some gain. Expect your in-laws will have some gain related to money, or your in-laws and some of your spouse's family member have. But we can also expect that 8th house also deal with your in-laws related matters. And when Sun will, and if you are married right now, so we can expect after 17th of August positive result and sudden gain of money. But just you need to take care of your ego battle before 17th of August. So we can expect you need these results from Sun for all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of August. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 9th house and your 6th house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Leo. 6th house deal with your court case, litigation, argument, fights, your strength to withstand the fight is also seen from 6th house. Your 6th house deal with your court cases, your litigation, your competitions, your argument, your fights, your diseases, and your daily routine. It's also seen from 6th house. 9th house deal with your father teaching, your teachers, your mentors is also seen from 9th house. Your travel related matters means your pilgrimage is also seen from 9th house. Long distance travel is also seen from 9th house. Your religious knowledge is also seen from 9th house. Your your second marriage is also seen from 9th house. So right now your 9th house Lord and 6th house Lord is moving in your 8th house. So we can expect your 9th house Lord is moving in your 8th house. 9th house deal with 9th house also deal with your luck. So as we discussed previously, you and your in-laws may have some gain of money after 17th of August, when 8th house Lord Sun will move to your 8th house, because Mercury, which controls your luck related matters, is also moving in your 8th house, and also Mercury controls your 6th house, and 6th house is also considered as naturally malefic planet. When two malefic houses combines each other, then negatives cancel each other out. So we can expect you may have some good result regarding your court case, litigation, fights in the month of August. Also, you may have some gain related to money, or your in-laws may have some gain related to money or property in the month of August, especially after 17th of August. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Venus controls your 10th house and your 5th house. And right now, Venus is moving in your 8th house in its retrograde motion. As we discussed previously in last month prediction video, and Venus will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. 5th house deal with your love relationship, your children, your mental ability, your planning ability, your learning ability. How intelligent are you is seen from 5th house? How smart are you is seen from 5th house? Your education till college life education means till graduation is seen from 5th house. Your love relationship, your engagement, fiance, your girlfriend is also seen from 5th house. 10th house deal with your work environment. How good you are in your work is seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house. Your authority at your work is seen from 10th house. Your work environment is also seen from 10th house. Your authority, your fame is also seen from 10th house. So right now, Lord of these two houses is moving in your 8th house, and right now is retrograde motion. So we can expect you may have some good result regarding your. You will have good result regarding your love relationship and your fiance, your engagement in the month of August. Also, if you are in right now it's education life, you may have some good result regarding your love relationship, your engagements, and your fun activities because your 5th house Lord is moving in your 8th house, and right now in retrograde motion. Also, Jupiter aspecting from his 5th in your 8th house from your 5th aspect, so we can expect positive result regarding your love relationship, love related matters, your engagement, and your fiance. Also, control your work related matter, and right now work also Venus controls your 10th house, and 10th house deal with your work as we discussed previously. And right now Ketu is moving in your 10th house from last year March 2023. Ketu were creating many disturbance and problems in your career from last year March to 2022, because whenever Ketu is moving in any house, Ketu tries to detach you from that house. So we can expect you may have some disturbance. Right now your 10th house Lord is moving in your 8th house, and 8th house also deal with mental issues, problem, conspiracies, and mental issues. So right now your 10th house Lord is moving in your 8th house, so we can also expect in some of your co-worker may create conspiracy against you, or you may create some of your work colleague may create conspiracy against you at your workplace, because Ketu is moving in your 10th house, and Ketu and Venus taking Ketu's energy in your 8th house from your 10th house. So we can expect you may have some disturbance issues and related to work related matters in the month of August. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of August. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Moon controls your 7th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 3rd house in the sign of Pisces. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of August, and on the basis of 6th August we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, disturbance, issues are always associated with these houses. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem, difficulty in our life. Especially problem and difficulty will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Mars controls your 4th house and your 11th house, and right now Mars is moving in your 8th house. So as we discussed previously, sun section, you need to be careful regarding your accidents and sudden events in your life, because 8th house deal with such thing. And right now your 4th house Lord, which controls your property, your vehicles, your comfort in life, your peace in life, your home related matters, right now moving in your 8th house. So we can expect you need to be careful while you are driving in the month of August, especially before 17th of August. After 17th of August, we can expect you may have some relief related to result regarding your property related matters. Mars also controls your 11th house, and 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains, your income, your siblings, your income, your gains in life, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes, your large organization, your professional network circle, your friend circle is also seen from 11th house. So right now 11th house Lord is moving in 8th house. So as we discussed previously in the starting of video, in some section you may have some gain of money as well in the month of August, especially before 19th of August, because Mars will stay in your 8th house till 19th of August. After 19th of August, Mars will move to your ninth house in the sign of Virgo. 11th house also deal with your elder siblings. So we can also expect there will be so we can also expect there will be some disturbance in your elder siblings life related to any matter, because 8th house also deals with mental issues and problem and blaming. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Capricorn ascendant people in the month of August. We will have three major astrological events in the month of August. First of all, Sun will move from your 7th house to your 8th house on 17th August in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars will move from your 8th house to your 9th house on 19th August 2023 in the sign of Virgo. Third and most important astrological event is that Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 8th house on 24th August 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction video. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then you can check my yearly prediction video and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. For today's video, monthly prediction for the month of August 2023 for all the Capricorn ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.